How to add background in Clipchamp. Let's add some background to your video in Clipchamp. Solid color, gradient or animated vibes. On the left side panel, click Content Library. Scroll down. You will see Background. Click it. You will see tons of options from plain colors to cool animated loops. Pick one that matches your video's vibe. Now, drag that background onto the timeline, but make sure it plays below your video or image layer. Just keep it in the back, not blocking anything. Stretch the background to match your video length, and if needed, resize your main video so it doesn't cover the entire screen. Perfect for talking head videos, green screen or text-based content. Play the preview. If everything looks good, click export. Boom! Your video now has fresh background that pops. If this was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more fast tutorials.